Today we're going to unbox and review the Black Tarendo Table from IKEA. Is it worth it? Before I get started, I ask that you take time to read our disclaimer. And while you're reading, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already, as it'll really help this channel tremendously. And with that being said, let's get started on the video. This is the Tarendo Table. As of today, it currently retails for $35 at IKEA. This is a simple design table that can be used for dining or studies. The measurements for this table are 110 centimeters in width, 67 centimeters in depth, and 74 centimeters in height. In the box it includes the base, 4 long legs, 2 short poles, and the screws. Lay the base flat and add the 2 long poles on the side. Add 4 hooks to the pole. Add the 2 short poles on the side. Screw it together and you're done. I think this product is 100% worth it. This product is such a great value for the price. Not only does it look and feel great, but it's also very easy to assemble. I would definitely recommend this product. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you bought this table and what are your thoughts on it. Till next time.